Drop it.
Have some sound. All right, do we have sound? I think we have sound. All right. Sound check. All right, we're back. All right, we got sound. All right, all right, we got sound. We got sound. All right, let's get right to it. Let's go ahead and make some money. How you guys doing? All right, so currently in a trade, as you guys know. We had an update to GoldenEye. Today I'm just going to trade and trade exclusively. Now, we are sitting at a level thanks to the BJ key levels. Good morning to everybody. All right. Currently up $137. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my stop up just shy of break even. And I want to see it break the 2-to-1. I had a late entry here. I'm not too sure. I'm seeing the 200 go ahead, and it's trending on up, right? But you see how it just reacted to that there. I have all systems go with my check marks here, so I'm going to remain confident. But this is getting close here, right? Remain with conviction in your trade. Hey, green is green, right? So I'm paying attention to this level here. This level is really, really what's going to separate the men from the boys. And let's see if she holds. So she's holding up, and so are we. We got 4 check marks here that is telling you to hold. So that's what we do, right? We try to keep this trading strategy very, very, very simple. For those who want to learn more about these charts, probably the most layman charts you'll ever see in day trading, check out the link down in the description and make you some money. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Okay, so we have this level here. We have another level just above it, and then we have day highs right here. So this is an interesting zone. What I do here, yeah, green is green. I think I'm going to close my position here. And in closing that position there, what I probably will wait for is a break above this level right there, right? As it stands, you can see some sensitivity right here. All right, Ralph, you're just gonna watch. At the end of the day, it's me trading, and you'll get your answers by seeing me trade. But I got in a little bit late. Um, that's fine. We had the candle close right there. Got in a little bit late. I was hoping this level here would support it. So we'll see. All right. So, Clifford Williams, good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning, guys. All right, so we're seeing, once again, just some sensitivity consolidation right on top of this box here. What I want to do is go ahead and pay attention to my Heikin-Ashi candles and my parabolic SAR here. See if we start getting a smaller and smaller and smaller Heikin-Ashi. Right, we get a smaller and smaller and smaller Heikin-Ashi, then that can certainly mean like we're losing some momentum in that trend. Okay, so that's all I'm waiting for. This is stress-free trading, guys. The trade design called for one contract. I hope you guys got the latest GoldenEye master. Let me bring this up to the front so it can be easily viewed. And with the settings, we have an update along with bug fixes. Right, I like to have show win rate required for long-term break even. I like to have 1, 2, 3, 4 take profits. This is up to 5. Yeah, you can feel free to half step this. Okay. Let's move it along. Show position sizing, yes. Max loss per trade, I got to change that to 300. That's typically what I'm willing to risk per trade. Your risk will be different. Of course, we have interactive design, so we can look at historical trades and how they panned out against our dynamic trade design. Okay, so here we go. You know, if I would have had a better entry, I wouldn't have been so sensitive and I would have just held. But let the market do what the market needs to do. If it breaks this level, I'll give it a shot to re-enter, right? When is the AMC squeeze? I mean, I can literally show you how this looks on AMC on the daily, guys. Let's get this into perspective for you, right? Let's see, the chart will load. For those who are talking about AMC or wondering about AMC, who might go ahead and leave some AMC troll comments, our trade design alerted you Monday, October 2nd, and it has been in an uptrend since. So if there's anybody who knows when to predict the squeeze, it would be me. It would be these charts, okay? Let's get back to actually making money. AMC is not making me money right now. I'll let you know when I decide it will. So this is the SPY, boys and girls. You can see things are a little different here. Now, for those who are trading the SPY, I would challenge you to go ahead and consider maybe looking at ES instead. I feel like it just smooths everything out and just puts everything in perspective, right? So once again, here we are. We are in this trade design. Let's go back to the 5-minute here. Get this scaled out the right way. You gotta love trading view for that. It just scales everything. Just kind of sucks, right? So as I suspected, I was waiting for a break above this level. It did not happen. It's definitely showing respect around here in this zone, right? That zone is going to be 440765. Yeah. Bill Harris, get out of here, man. I did not lose anybody anything. Right? You're your own man. Right? If right, if you could take it upon yourself to go ahead and talk crap here, you could take it upon yourself to have sold. There you go. All right. There was money made in that play. I owe nothing to anyone. All right. Back to the trade here. Let's go. Right back above this level. All right. By the way, I can sleep at night, Bill. Just so you know. Hey, you know why I sleep at night? Because I'm fucking rich. Yes, this is public. Anyways, back here, back at this level, guys, I want everybody to see the power of what we're doing here at Trade 1348. If you guys want to learn more, check out the link pinned to the top of the comments. Check out the link pinned in the bottom of the description. Okay, so here we go. It's not holding up this level. So what I'm going to do is wait for a trade design, right? And I'll wait for it to the downside. I'm trading futures on Tradeovate, but I'm using TradingView connected to my Tradeovate account. Okay. So let's see here. Guys, what this is doing is literally showing its hand. It has not really shown a direction, right? This is where you sit on your hands. When the market has not showed its hands, you sit on your hands, and that's what we're doing here. Sometimes trading can, in fact, be boring. We wait for the next trade design. We don't assume the trade. We don't just take the trade. We don't willy-nilly into a trade. Now, Matthew Kermish says, I trade SPX, and I know you do as well. Do you also use ES charts instead of SPX charts? They're one and the same, really. I really feel like they're one and the same. So, you know, Potato, potato. All right. Let's see, we got our side breaking below its moving average here, so I'm anticipating a trade design. As you see, we only have 2 checks here, 50-50 chance of going long. Right, our system is going to alert you and keep you cautious. This is very, very important, especially for those who just don't know when to get out. Okay, these trade designs are put in place for you as well, so you know when to get out. All right, I've got a semi and heavy. Says took the initial SPY A setup, but my level it wicks and drops, so no deal. So stay in. So, okay, well, whatever, man. I'm not gonna read all that. But good shit if you took it and profited. The only question, because I don't trade either ES or SPX, is if the price level is the same, the movements would that be the same? Movement should be the same. It just seems like it's smoother on ES or SPX for me, honestly. It just really feels smoother, right? I don't know why. It maybe is a psychological thing. Let's go ahead and look at SPY. See what SPY is doing, right? So, I don't know. It doesn't look and feel as reactive. This is SPY, right? Whereas with ES, I'm getting tick measurements, right? So you'll see it's far more sensitive and reactive, right? Can you play ES as options or just futures? No. You could play it as futures, but again, you can use the ES charts to trade SPX. You really can, right? You get literal fine-tuned movements here. It's, tick, tick, tick. It's just finer, right? Smoother, if you will. Um, okay, so let's wait for this trade setup, guys. Once again, link above, pinned on the top of the comments. It's free. Get your first 7 days free, right? And you get access to this incredible indicator. Now, what we're looking at here is we are in a bull trend, but you can see the band just getting thinner and thinner, and so is the 1348 cloud. This is signaling a lot of just like consolidation to me. But again, it's like we got PPI data, came in a little hot. Everyone's now waiting for CPI tomorrow. So who knows? Maybe you're just gonna have a lot of people sitting on their hands, right? But either way, we will find opportunity in the market, try to make some money in the market. This trade design is not flipping, it's not flopping, but it's obvious it's not a strong trend initially. Hey, good morning, Franley. Could you imagine a leverage of options on futures? That would be insane. I would not even play that. SPY hanging on to VWAP. This could get interesting quickly. Wreck-It Ralph. That is true, right? Below VWAP, then institutions want to buy the hell out of it. Above VWAP, probably premium pricing, right? But it starts moving on up, right? So, Wreck-It Ralph, let us know when that happens. So I could jump in that trade there, man. All right, so as we see, we got a 50-50 chance. It's just flickering here, right? Now I have to ask you guys, those who are using GoldenEye with the 4-star rating, so what do you think about it? Do you feel like it's helping your trades? Does it feel like it's helping your emotions and your psychology in a trade? Let me know in the comments. Let's get a thumbs up, all right? So we have this level here, previous. I don't know if we could ever qualify it as support. Okay. Don't know if we could ever really qualify it as support. This has remained resistance here. Uh, um, okay, you guys are Wreck-It Ralph levels now. Look at you. Mike Britt says, "Hi Gabe, why didn't market tank with Israel war? Just wondering." We thrive with war usually, and I guess I think I think I think this actually just proves out, speculation and expectations, based on certain things happening, and not just something as ginormous as a war, right? But data or news or Powell, right? We literally trade on speculation, and that's how a lot of people actually win big or just get absolutely decimated, right? So with that, I try not to assume that one causes the other, and I just try to like stay in my lane and trade my charts. War is bullish for GDP, gets a lot of people employed, but aren't we trying to like get more people unemployed? Um, this war also didn't cut off oil. Not yet. Not yet. It'd be interesting how much it escalates. Nikki Ricky. Wow. Thanks so much for that. Okay, look it. We're at this level and I got 4 stars here, right? If I go ahead and establish an entry right now, I mean, I could also establish my risk, right? But I just don't see it. Guys, look at these Heikinashi candles right now, right? They're getting thinner and thinner, indecision, thinner and thinner, right? So I'm just going to hold off. True. And TMR Trade says, and who knows, maybe Biden will give them more money. You know, maybe that is the case. Where is the GoldenEye tool? It is, check out the announcement section. I believe Hot Potato has announced it. Otherwise, if you're already in TradingView, you can go into indicators, go to our invite only scripts, and look for GoldenEye Master. All right. Okay. You know what? I'm going to go in one contract. That can't hurt. I'm going to go ahead and set a stop here. Right there. And there's a level right there. Hey, you got to shoot your shot, right? I'm not really risking much at this point. You got to shoot your shot. So, RSI pivoting up. 4 stars here. Heikinashi building a body there. Let's see what she wants to do. Uh, all right, and after pre-market close, wait, after market close, is that what you said, Algo? We will be pushing that out to the OGs and non-masters. Dope. All right, I got stopped out. It was one contract. My risk was super tight. Unlike a video of some guy who like had a swing of about $150,000 playing US 30 when it just like nosedived. That was $150,000 swing up 80 grand and then lose 70. Woo! I can't stomach that. Like that gave me PTSD. Made me think about my my nights with Nvidia.
Envidia.
Ooh, Nvidia humbled me quick. No, no, no. That was a $250,000 loss with Nvidia. Oh, I just think about that sometimes. Ooh. Stops are important. Absolutely, absolutely. The guy's reaction didn't look real. I almost said that as well. It's circulating all over social media. I don't care if you are a millionaire or multi-millionaire, right? He was a deer in headlamps. He was in shock, right? But 80 grand, that's meaningful, right? Okay. We got a trade design, so now we have to go short. And I'm simply nice. Okay. I'm simply going to go ahead and place my stop right about here. I'm going to play this tighter than I like to. It is before 10 o'clock. All right, so let's play this tighter and let's see what she gives us, right? Developing nicely. There we go. All right, you guys are watching this in real time. Quick $100, $112. Oh, whatever. Oh boy. Let's go. Pretty decent. This is an 175 bucks is an honest day's work, if you ask me. Here she goes. Really, really developing. I want to keep an eye on that 200 right there. That 200 EMA is right where I have this level. That's going to be at or about 439,675. Let's see what happens. Now, I think I have enough buffer. Man, how small am I playing? Oh, okay, it said one contract. I'm going to trust my trade setups. It's telling me my position size, and it's giving me my risk to reward, right? So let's go ahead and let's just give it room to run. What I'll do is I'll protect my entry, right? Someone say, well, why don't you just do a tick above? Yeah, I just, it's a matter of preference, right? Or a tick below your entry so you get some profits. And for me, it's just really a matter of preference. I just have a thing about like how it comes back up and you're a tick above and it just barely, a tick above or below and it just barely hits it and it gets you out. Like, that's just so annoying to me, right? Um, so yeah, we'll wait it out on this trade. I'm protected here, right? Man, but I'm in this game to make money. Am I not? Yes, I am. Let's go ahead and see what Meta's doing really quickly. Um, Alright, Meta just killed it with that trade design. Alright, that gave you a 5-to-1. That was a 5-to-1 trade. I'm not going to support any thesis beyond this. A 5-to-1 trade, you know what to do. You got to secure that bag. Otherwise, you're just absolutely gluttonous. And then you deserve everything that happens to you. Kind of like that guy from that video there. All right. Back to ES. Let's focus on my money. And of course, we have this level here, which, you know what? I'm going to bring this down to the 48 there. Here we go. 200. The 200 is really my target. That's what I'm looking for. We have this level here, up $275, right? I know for Wreck-It Ralph playing options as big as he does on the 1 minute, this is hardly impressive, but I have to show everybody here how this is done and how simple it is. We're being guided by our check marks right here. It's saying to hold. We do have the BJ key level here with a 1-to-1. Wreck-It Ralph, nice. Okay, we're in the same trade. Dope. Ralph is cool always. He was trolling me yesterday. Wreck-It Ralph is an OG. You see that response there, right? Right to that level. I'm just going to go ahead and close out the position, right? Now, the way I view this is I secure the bag and I make money. Now, if I actually get a break below this level, I would probably re-enter. Right now, I don't like the fact that it's showing sensitivity right off of here, so I just simply secure that bag. There's no shame in it. No shame in it, guys. Okay? No shame in securing that bag. I know we like to take those snaps and say, this is how much I made, or this is how much I'm making. How many times have you guys done that? Take like a snapshot of your percentage. And you go back and you post it and go back, you're like, oh shit, I just lost 30%. It happens, right? I don't like to be that guy. That's why I like to just secure my bag. Angel Spooky is like, guilty. Yeah, I'm sniping today. That's all we doing. We're keeping it simple. I want to showcase the system, Wreck-It Ralph. It's so easy. We lay it out for you. We let you know your position size. We let you know what the momentum's like, right? It's really, really easy. We give you your levels. We give you your take profits. This is easy. For those who are looking to pass the the prop firm funded challenges, this is the way to go. This is so stress free, right? This is so stress free. This is the most stress free trading ever, ever. Um, so let's see what we have. You mentioned earlier you watched Hikinashi thinning out here. You went to the level and the Hikinashi candle had not started to thin. Our levels are always priority. Always priority. All right, Bardistas, welcome. And we have 209 viewers. Can someone go ahead and start like spam posting this all over Twitter? Let's get them involved too so they can see the simplicity of this, unlike those overly complex, like what are we looking at? All those lines, man. Danker, good morning, sir. Hit that like, slacker. Don't make me ask again. All right, what's going on, Vix? How you doing, man? How you enjoying this system, brother? This thing is just stupid easy, stress-free. It's literally point, shoot, plug, play. Call it whatever the hell you want. You know, that last trade was about 270 bucks. And for those who have multiple accounts and like their prop firm or their performance accounts, I mean, that's 2,700 bucks. That's when I go buy, right? It's like 2,700 bucks on a day, right? You go buy. What's up, crew? Doug Tanner, how you doing? Uh, that you gotta ask Vix, Reese. Gabe, if my max drawdown is 7,500, so my max risk per trade in GE setting would typically be 10% or lower, right? So 750. Yeah. Let's see. Yes, Eric Ma. 10%, so 750. Yeah, I honestly would make it tighter, but if your drawdown 7,500, I'm assuming you're going for the $300,000 funded account challenge. Woo, some big boys. Yeah, Vix is early. 300K. Ouch, man. You better play risk reward like it's your Bible, sir, because that's a 3-to-1 risk reward setup there that they have with that funded challenge. It is not a challenge for newbies or new investors, right? It's you got to be a pro out this bitch. But you have the assistant of this, so this should really, really help you out. Yeah, me and Ralphie kissing made up. He's a good guy. He's solid. He is solid. Love the guy. Right? I just went full tilt yesterday. I admit it. I love my apologies in the community. You guys, I love you. I can't stand you sometimes, but that's what family's all about, right? That's what family's all about. Um, I this is interesting. Are we gonna get a bounce off of here? It'd be really, really interesting if we get a trade design up, but no, look at her come to the 200. Ooh. Do we have a commitment here? I think we do. Let me go ahead and get in this trade really, really quick. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set my stop. I'm gonna set my stop like right here. Set my stop there. Let's see. If I get wicked out, I get wicked out, right? But I'm tempted to find out if it wants to break that 200. I'm tempted. Guys, this is what anticipating the move looks like, right? We all know we should enter after the 200, and I'm breaking my own rules because you need to know what this looks like, right? Okay, so, all right, it's coming through, up 12 bucks. That's hardly worth the risk. Let's bring my stop down just under this box here and see if it plays out some more. You gotta shoot your shot. We got 4 check marks here. 4 check marks. If we get a break here, we do have a level at 4394. which is interesting here. Okay, let's see. Oh, we're gonna get that bounce, and I'm gonna get stopped out. There you go. Lost a nice 50 bucks. Let's see. Uh, let's see. Yeah, I'm just really having fun this morning. It, Nothing's really exciting right now. The market's moving like a 70-year-old on crutches right now. It's just really slow. Can't really force anything. There you go, right? I mean, that's that bounce. That's that $200 bounce. 200 EMA bounce right there, guys. Let's see. But Heikinashi, everything is just teasing me. There's like, Gabe, it's gonna keep going down. It's gonna keep going down. What do I do here? Let's wait for the break of the 200. Mike Britt, no, I'm trading. So, actually, ain't nothing going on here. All right, I'll go ahead and look at Tesla for you. I'll look at Tesla for you. All right, Tesla broke right into the trade design. You got your 4 check marks here. You just penetrated that 200. If you manage to get an entry on this thing and you made some money, like, I'm not going to encourage you to hold, right? But you can go ahead and set your stop and profit, right? If you're a little worried about what Tesla might do. And Tesla can do some really wild things. But again, we're looking at Heikinashi for Tesla. And you got some nice full body candles to the downside with some nice long stems, right? So always put a stop loss there and always protect your profit, okay? I know sometimes it gets exciting, but always protect your profit. Um, let's get on over to ES. And still messing around. It's teasing me. It's teasing me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You gotta wait for that break. Um, this is boring. Why is it whenever I want a live trade, it gets boring? Whenever I want a live trade, the market just gets boring. And then I gotta do like some wild willy-nilly stuff, right? Just to make it worth my time. It really sucks. Okay, back to the 200 here. Are we gonna go back there? No. I mean, when I say boring, we know trading is boring. When I say boring is this thing is not moving whatsoever. Yeah, it makes for crap content. Absolutely. Now, if I get a break below the 200 here, I am targeting 4390.50. But you got to give me that break there. This is such a slow unwind here. Yeah, it's a lot of obstacles. It certainly is. Oh, what's happening here? RSI is picking up here, showing a lot of respect here. A lot of respect. Let's see if we get a trade design to form. Yeah, you gotta love these levels, right? Gotta love them. Price just loves them some levels. Okay, nice bounce. There's an inverse John Cashola paying attention. Trigger if I drop. Go to the bathroom, get some coffee. Right around one way or the other, without fail. Oh boy, John. This is boring as hell. NQ, let's see if you can spice things up for me, because I am bored. Alright, NQ here. NQ came off its 200. 200 coincided with the level right there, so it's just bouncing off its 200. It'd be really, really interesting. We get a trade design from here. I don't know, man. This is boring. The 15 looks horrendous. We'll go ahead and take a look see here. Uh, yeah, this is pretty flat stuff here. We got Waller speaking. All right, so is everyone on just hold mode right now until Waller speaks at 10:15? Then the market comes alive. Nas the Dragon. Uh, you say lagging indicator as if it's an insult. You know what, guys? You want lagging indicators. I don't understand the argument about like why is an indicator lagging. You actually want a lagging indicator because you want that time to be able to put your canvas in perspective, right? You don't want a leading indicator all the time. Like that doesn't make much sense, right? It's a lagging indicator, and right? Are you basing your decision making on one singular indicator? Or is it based on multiple pieces of information? Wreck-It Ralph, die gap is a leading indicator? Yes, yes, but it's one piece of information. I know Wreck-It Ralph loves him some thigh gap. Optic says 1348 just changed his life. Ooh. Hey, come on. 10:15, where art thou? All right, who still uses thigh gap, by the way? Really, really curious. Thigh gap plus RSI. It has its utility. It has its utility. Wreck-It Ralph, of course you do. So, Wreck-It Ralph, you like to play extensions, don't you? Extensions to and from your major levels. Maybe you're using your 15 minutes to plot your levels. 3.43%, to be honest, I'm good there for the day, yes. Amazon, Pod. Let's go ahead and look at Amazon really quick, and then I want to gear up for a possible 1348 cross here on yes. All right. So, oh no, it's not happening. Let's take a look at Amazon. In Amazon, you're right at your trade design there, right? There's really nothing going on for Amazon right now, right? I would definitely hold out right there. That's just on a 5 minute, especially. That's just a very tight range there. Probably not worth touching. I reckon Ralph uses thigh gap as an exit signal because it doesn't trade reversals. Dope. Trade with the friend. Trade with the trends, my friend. It's really, really easy to do it that way. Speaking of trends, we do have a 1348 cross here. We have a 1348 cross here. That 200 price action just hovering right over it. In order for me to maintain my bearish thesis here, I need that break. I want that break. All right, take it easy, Vix. Love you, kid. Be safe out there. Try not to catch an STD. STV. I know this old. I'm getting old. Getting old, man. I need new content. Come back, STV. Come back, please. Uh, I need some more of your stories. I need some more of your, like we gotta talk about the bleeder, bro. We gotta talk about the bleeder. Um, but I love her. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this. We have momentum, obviously, to the downside here, right? And once again, I'll keep my stops really, really tight right there. Set my stop. I'm not gonna go full tilt like that one time on Friday. And okay, she has penetration, boys and girls. She has penetration. Let's go. Now the trend is to the downside because you do have a 1348 cross that is in its infancy, right? Don't bank on it too much. Don't bank on it too much. It's still in its infancy. But if we catch this and this thing is a downtrending day, this one contract could bank and print $1 bazillion. STV, okay, I won't talk too much about the bleeder. I won't. I won't. All right. Just make sure there's plastic all over your apartment. Um, okay, so immediately we did get the break there, and as suspected, you could see there's sensitivity right here at this level at 4394. This could be fun. This could be fun here. No, he did not earn his Red Wings. I can't talk about it, but it's so fucking funny. But I can't talk about it. Um, let's see. All right, there it goes. It's making its move. Bardistas, you don't want that story time. Not even from Vix. Vix, come back. Give us story time. Oh, man. Everyone's like, oh, poor Jack and the Red Wings. No, it was actually his fault. There's no poor Jack in this one. He caused it. Nice. Okay. Sweet call there. And we're making moves. Now, I'm really looking for this level right there. Really looking for that level. Once again, I'm bringing it up right there. I'm protecting my entry. Guys, slow and steady wins this race, right? Now this here, previous support, should now act as resistance. If we get some more momentum to the downside, I will then take my stop and bring it at or about here, right? Or I'm looking for an exit at around 43.90. Let's see which happens first. Fun trade, fun trade. All right. Um, right, up $200 in this trade. Not bad, right? Guys, honest day's work, right? Which is really simple. Be patient and just trade, and it's an honest day's work. Um, See how it's coming right back to this level right there? If it does, I simply close. I'm not going to put my stop right there, though. How am I so calm? I'm so calm because this is what I do for a living, man. It's what I do for a living. All right, so you can see that there. It's definitely it's got to remain disciplined here. Right? So wait, what are the stars saying? All right, it's saying no hold. This could get interesting. If you're looking at the RSI right there, I'm just going to close my position there for $75. And then I'll re-enter if we get a break below this level. We're literally scalping it on the way down. That's what it seems like, all right? It would have hit my stop anyways, right? So, yay. Yay for me being in profit. Dum-da-dum, right? If you are stressing out in a trade, guys, you need to go ahead and play smaller and smaller and smaller until it no longer affects you, right? If you're in a trade and you're feeling freaked out, that's advantage market, not advantage trader. Okay? And there you go. Kenny Yu brings it up. Playing MES is a non-stressor. Absolutely non-stressor. Going into this here, just it's a slow day here. This is probably a hands-off day. This is definitely a sit on your hands day. Maybe things will pick up. What are the old men saying? Well, what's the old fat guy talking about? You're doing MES right now and it's freaking you out, Moto? MES? Even MES is freaking you out? What? The thing like moves like $1.20 a tick, bro. $1.25 a tick. Oh my god. All right, fun. It's at 2 p.m. Minutes of Fed September FOMC meetings at 2 p.m., boys and girls. That's what's on the candle. Thank you, Diana, for the assist there. Got my 1.7%, calling it a W on the day. Go for it, brother. Hell yeah. Um, you know what? I'm gonna sit on my hands here. Um, I don't really see much happening, right? Made a little bit of coin. Made a little bit of coin. How much does SPY affect futures? There's, I mean, you're looking at it wrong. They're all pretty much like the same thing. What a boring day. What a boring day. Jesus Christ. Lord. I only made $330 today. Are you fucking kidding me, market? You better wake up. Let's see. Nas the Dragon says, "Na nanny, no fap is way to go. Get your goals." So what are we commenting in here about? If someone's going to give you a handy. Oh boy. All right, all right. I'm trying to keep myself PG right now because this is a public stream. We'll keep that degenerate behavior private in the Discord. Yeah, I had a long night, right? Sleeping in this morning. Hell yeah. Spy, look at this. Oh man. Just. Whoa, wait a second. I mean, if it gets down to 439,125, this is a major go. Yeah, I'm going in, boys. Yeah, it's one of those days where you just can't really force a trade at all. At all. Let's go ahead and see what the broader market's doing, and let's talk about our trade designs here because they're fucking phenomenal. So let's go ahead and look at AMD. Yeah, just getting started here. We got a golden eye curl up. That 200 right there, not quite sure I want any of that just yet, right? You got to break that 200 for me. You got to prove you deserve my money. You got to prove you deserve my money. All right. Let's look at Tesla. Now Tesla is above its 200. You got a trade design here. You have a level at 265.35, another at 266.49, and another at 268.40. Have fun, boys. Oh, Meta's still cooking? Jeez. What's up with Meta? You know what? No. Oh my good God. Hey guys, first trade design took you to the promised land. Then it retraced. Did our rim job here off the 13, right? That was a rim job bounce. Then gives you another trade design for your entry. And then, oh my God. You know what? I mean, no. Look how far overextended it is on a 5 minute. That's not something I want to deal with. That's not, no. No and no. No and no. NVIDIA?
Nvidia.
Oh. Man, look how beautiful this is with this trait design, right? So first off, we got our three checks that say let's go. It bounces off the 13, bounces off the level, gives you your entry, keeps it nice and tight because that's what NVIDIA does because NVIDIA is so beautiful. And then, yeah, we hit our one-to-one here, maybe a little more. Anyone who was playing with some options here. I mean, you made some bank. Don't be greedy. You do have day highs at 465.55. And if NVIDIA's running, you know what that means, right? NQ, what are you doing, baby? NQ, there you go. Let's see. Uh, NQ, you're a wild bunch. Spy is just, oh my God, the most boring shit on earth right now. Oh boy. These trade designs are the truth. Can I get an amen? These trade designs are so the truth. Let's go look at NQ. Maybe NQ is going to make me, going to excite me a little bit. Let's see. NQ, what do we have here? All right, so NQ, two check marks, right? We don't have, this is a 50-50 right here, right? We want to see a little more confirmation. I'm going to wait for the 15,338 break. I want a little more confirmation to the upside before taking this trade. We're not quite getting there. We're not there. Now, of course, you have parabolic SAR. To the downside, we do not have any green parabolic stars forming underneath the Heikinashi candles, which give us confirmation for our almighty golden eye here. And our side is below 50 and below its moving average. Whoa! Okay. Still boring. Still boring. I literally feel like I'm giving commentary over a game of backgammon. It's fucking boring. Is the golden eye for all time frames? Sorry if it seems dumb trying to catch up on. Yeah, it's all time frames. You could use it for all time frames. Yes. Oh, you want NQ to break the 200? Let's. I mean, NQ can do some wild things. NQ is Nvidia's like more hotter, more evil, more yeah, more everything, big sister. Nvidia knifing. Oh sweet. What is doing? No, I don't play CL. I was actually doing a one-on-one yesterday. We were talking about CL, but I don't play it. Maybe I should. Okay, now. Oh, CL. Let's see. Puts are printing. Sweet. Let's get into this, right? So, despite this, just some boring consolidation there, right? So, GoldenEye hasn't even made an attempt to start curling back up. It has not even made an attempt. What are we looking at here? RSI 35.48. I mean, it's getting very close to oversold. It seems to really be finding ground here. That's what it's showing me. Guys, if we get a break above the 200, I'll end up taking ES or SPY. Wreck-It Ralph, are you out there just scalping a 1 minute, brother? Because yesterday I know you were like, what, 13 for 13 or something like that? Were you? Wonder if you got in as many trades this morning. 10:30. I feel like the market just wasted my time. Who feels that way? I feel like it just wasted my time. Give me that break above the 200. Mike D was 5 for 5 yesterday. All right, we got a trade designed to the upside here. Interesting. Interesting. Here we go. One contract. It's calling for one contract. 50-50 chance of this happening. You do need the break above the 200 EMA. You get your entry right there. Dud. Dud. What I like about these trade designs too is it keeps you out of shitty plays. Tesla, it's happening. Oh boy. Let's take a quick look at Tesla. Oh, you get the 200 break. You got a trade design. Oh, good luck, boys and girls. Be careful. I mean, you got RSI at 37.35. Be careful with this one. Tesla likes to do a lot of wild, raunchy things, but you do got four check marks, right? Um, it's a break up the C setup. Good call. Absolutely. That is a break up the C setup here. It was consolidating and being propped up by the 200 EMA. Phoenix, 6 for 9 today. How the fuck you took 9 trades already? Oh, on the 50 tick chart? Damn. Hey, you're a better man than me. I do not have those kind of balls, man. Southern Streams, peace out. I have a lot of vids to catch up and get back to swing things. Masterclass for life. Hell yeah. Way to go, brother. Okay, come on. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Oh, come on. Guys, I'll post my P&L later. I'm just going to have to will myself to some profit today because I honestly. It's boring. Oh, man. All right, new to the stream, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join us for more streams just like this where we show you how to trade with Trade 1348 and with these charts. They're just absolutely phenomenal. I really wish I could showcase them better with a market that actually was alive. Wait, wait. It's happening. It's happening. And yeah, I'm going in. And stops right there. And just let it go. Just let it go. Ah, this is. We get days like this, right? We get days like this that are just slow days. What are these options premiums looking like? Are the options premiums jacked? Yeah, I'm gonna be holding this one. I'll just be holding this one. You got stopped? How tight were you setting your stops, bro? What are you, a born again virgin? Damn. Tesla, those BJ levels are so good. I know, right? That's why, guys, if anything, come on, join us in our community here. Oh man, at least for a free BJ. Who don't want a free BJ? Check out the link down in the description. All right, I've got to drop. So everyone, get ready for things to run. See ya on the flippity flop. All right, take it easy, Cashola. I lost $20 on 8 contracts. MES. I think my entries suck. No, your stop loss was tight as fuck. Wait. You guys thought I was leaving? I'm not leaving. I was reading out someone else's comment. How do we know if the stop loss is too tight? Use the trade design. Wait, I didn't lose any viewers. A lot of you are still here. All right. In this trade, down 125 bucks. Uh, my risk in my trades are 300 bucks usually. So this isn't stressing me out. We just need a trade with follow through. We haven't gotten that yet. I'm here. You see, hey, there you go. I'm here. No, I went for calls. I went for calls, and I got stopped out for that. Interesting. That's what I get for going against the trend and taking a B setup. There you go. Oh, she's. Let's see if we get a trade design down that will follow the thesis of the trade 1348 cloud and the ribbon. All right, check out CL. All right, you're gonna get me in on some CL here, right? Let's. Oh my God! This is fun. Look at this entry here. Oh my God, this is perfect. Oh man. Wowzers. That's great. That is great. Any levels? Oh, you do have a level here. That's all the way at 8312? 8312? Interesting. Jim, that is wowzers right there. Jim, please tell me you nailed that, man. Please tell me you nailed that. Oh man, what a move. Oh yes, Jim, good for you. No, gas isn't about to get cheaper. You know how this shit works. That never happens. It's called inflation, bro. Better get a Tercel. I heard those are pretty good on gas. They have lawnmower engines in them. Oh my god. How old am I? Who remembers the was it a Toyota Tercel? Remember that one? Holy crap. Um Oh, look at ES. It's like Gabe, come back. Stop teasing me. Come on. Alright, I have to. I have to shoot my shot. Always shoot your shot. Really not risking much. And as always, have a stop. You okay. I gotta remember this is a public stream, so I can't really yell at the trade like I really want to. Okay. What what is this? Daniel Mitch, that's funny. Yep. The Audi what e-tron means turd in French. So Audi e-tron means Audi poop. It's kind of like the Chevy Nova. And Chevy was wondering why no one was buying the Nova in Latin America, but when, Nova means sun, right? But to a Spanish speaking person is Nova, which is Chevy no go. Yeah, it's death by 1,000 cuts, man, but yeah, no go. Someone got fired. It's just chop. I think I'm gonna call it a day here. It's nothing going on. Can't force trades, can't do anything. Just really boring. Really, really, really boring. Down 300 in futures? Okay. I'm not letting that happen again. I'm not letting her wipe me out there again. I'm gonna wait for her to like truly, truly develop. I saw the 2 stars right there. I'm like, okay, never mind. Never fucking mind. Then stop trading. You guys are like 1,000 cuts, but it's like you're choosing to trade. Don't trade. I guess what we're gonna have to do is just wait for a defined trend. Yeah, wait for an A setup, a defined trend. Alex T, what? Is it you again? Oh, jeez. The 5. We all trade on a 5. I hit 1.9%. I haven't done anything since. Nothing looks good now. Nothing going on here. Now we get an A setup, which is with the trend. I think we'll all be better off just going with the trend there, right? We're in a chop zone, yeah. It's just boring stuff going on. So I'm not going to be touching anything. Like, no damage done really. No damage done for me. Pretty much break even. I'm right where I started with. I was up 300. I think I lost 300. Big whoop. Yeah, it's the cuck zone. The cuck zone. Yes. All right, boys and girls, if the market gets interesting, I'll be posting in the Discord. For now, I think everyone needs to just chill out and not force these trades, right? Days like this is where you lose your prop firm challenges, where you lose a lot of money. I know there's a move coming. That moves to the downside, Wrecker Ralph. But I need the 4391. I need to break a 439125. Um, all right. Take care. We'll come back tomorrow and try this again. Hopefully we get some more excitement in the markets.